Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to make smooth stripe changes in the round without having any jogs, which are unsightly color jumps that occur if you don't do a jogless color change. Let's get started. I've worked my stripe all the way around to where I'm going to stop so that I can do the color change. So I just finished 2 rows of black and now I want to do 2 rows of yellow. I'm going to pull this loop up a bit. This is my last stitch right here, and I'm just going to cut this thread, and I know that might seem a little shocking or scary if you're new to this, but I find that it creates the smoothest, cleanest color change. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that tail straight up like this. That stitch is just pulled up like that. I'm going to take my new color and I'm going to go around 4 or 5 stitches back from this spot and just insert my hook like this. I'm going to have a tail around 2 inches long, and I'm going to do a chain 1 single crochet into the same spot. Put the loop on my hook. I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to let that tail hang behind. I'm going to do a chain 1, and then in the same spot as that chain 1, I'm going to do a single crochet like that. Now I'm going to make this loop longer just so I don't lose my stitch, and then using my hook I'm going to grab that tail that was the original chain, and I'm just going to pull that tail out. So now all I have is 1 freestanding single crochet, and now I'm going to crochet to where I did my slip stitch of that last black row. So I'm going to single crochet some of these stitches and just let the tails hang because they're just going to be tucked inside. And I've come to here. I'm going to remove this stitch marker, and now this is going to look a little strange, but it all comes together when you're done. I'm going to do a single crochet into where I did this slip stitch. So this is that loose slip stitch that I did. I'm going to hold that tail down just so it kind of keeps its shape, and I'm going to do a single crochet right into that spot like that, and then I'm going to pull that tail just to tighten it up. I'm going to skip this bit right here that's all connected to that slip stitch, and I'm just going to do a single crochet into the next real stitch like this, and then I'm going to do a few more so that I can show you what this looks like. And there is my color change. You can see that this is where the jog sort of occurred, but it's so hardly visible at all. So now I'm going to go all the way around, and I'll show you what I do when I get to this stitch here. I'm at the end of this round, so I'm just going to do my last single crochet right here. And then I'm just going to do a single crochet into the top of this chain 1 single crochet right next to it by doing that. And my stitch marker, and then I'm going to continue crocheting. And there you have it. Perfect stripes, no jogs, no jumps in color, and very, very simple. I hope this was helpful. If you try it out, let me know. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.